Chapter 14, video response. Number 1. Prepare a convincing argument supporting each of these positions. The Milgram study should have been conducted because it provided vitally important information about the troubling human tendencies to inflict pain and suffering on others in obedience to authority figures. And B, despite the value of the knowledge the Milgram study provided, it basically shouldn't have happened. Well, it tried to explain how people do, on the flip side, or on the positive side of it, it tried to explain how people do anything they are told, if the person telling them what to do is an authority figure. He tried to explain why the Nazis committed the Holocaust. The people doing the shocking always blame the doctor. They said they were just following orders, and that's what most Nazis during the Nuremberg trials said. So the experiments show how all humans are capable of doing bad things just because an authority figure tells them to. On the other side, despite plainly seeing that their student had lost consciousness here and there was obvious pain, 2/3 of the teachers continued to pull levers when told the experiment must go on. Simply put, the normal people delivering the painful and possibly deadly shocks simply because some guy they didn't know told them to. Yeah, I definitely don't agree with that at all. It's, I believe it was inhumane. Number 2, prepare a convincing argument supporting each of these positions. Aggression results largely from biological factors, or aggression is primarily learned. Nature versus nurture on this. Aggressions in animals and humans is an inherited spontaneous tendency, much the same as motivation to eat, drink, and make love, as we first learned in this class. The resulting aggressive behavior can be the result of imbalance of the 4 main theories: neurotransmitters, genes, hormones, and neuroanatomy. On the nurture side of aggression, the argument for nurture involves aspects of human life that surround societal reasons for why aggression occurs as a part of human behavior. Certain aspects of human life have been singled out as the factors that seem to contribute to the development and control of aggression, to include cognitive factors, family factors, neighborhoods, peers, and other influences that you come in contact with daily life. It's going to influence on a daily level. If you live with a violent parent, you are most likely possibly to become a violent person yourself, and those traits that those that aggressiveness they pushed off on you could follow through in your future parenthood as well. Those are my video responses to Chapter 14.